Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Zora update for you guys. God is so good and so great, man. Thank you, Jesus. We were able to get a 10x on Ralph on Solana, right? Told you guys to buy $300 of Ralph. It went to 30 mil market cap, 10x in less than a week, right? And with that, I think this project goes to billions of market cap, but I took some nice profits on it, decent profits on it. You know what I did? You know what I did? I rotated the profits into Zora. I have Stockholm Syndrome. Help me. How did the decentralized social media platform not go to crazy valuations? Someone explain it to me. Every day you guys go, every day crypto Twitter and everyone on these other apps go. Like, have you seen the world? Do you see how people scroll Facebook, Instagram, TikTok? Every day, if they go without their phone for a month, it's like they have a sickness. It's like they'll pass away if they go without scrolling the social media feed for a month, man. How does a decentralized social media platform not go to crazy high valuations, right? I don't believe it, and nobody could tell me otherwise, right? Just look around, man. And this is, you know what's so ironic? I made a tweet. You know what's so ironic about this? People are like, majority of crypto, like all my timeline hates Zora, right? The entirety, not just people on base that, you know, like Clanker and Virtual, etc., but everyone that I scroll, it's so rare for me to see a Zora bull post. It's like almost impossible to see a Zora bull post, y'all, right? But you know what's so ironic about that? You're hating on a social media platform while being on a social media platform. One of the first, not one of the first, but one of the better or best, in my opinion, one of the best iterations of we've seen with decentralized social media. This is one of the best versions of it, man. As far as how, you know, how everything works on the Zora platform. This is one of the best ways for, you know, the creator economy to come on chain. But you know what? They writing it off. They say, you know, it's going to zero. I rotated my profits into Zora here. That's what I did. I have Stockholm Syndrome, guys. I'm, you know, getting beat up and I'm smiling and I'm loving getting beat up here. So yeah, like I said, Zora right now sitting at 162 million market cap, under 162. 27.15 million 24-hour volume, down 9% in the volume. As I stated before, 50,000 to 100,000 Zora, in my opinion, is a good bet. That's $3,604 right now. Typing in the wrong thing. 100,000, 3,603 or 4, you know, round it off. Dollars right now. So yeah, I think Zora, like I said, is a crazy gem. Like I said, we could scroll through Zora, the Zora app right now. You could see the top trending creator coins on Zora. Always see, you know, new creator coins, you know, new creators getting onboarded. Nick Shirley took a massive dump, man. Still holding. Yeah, I'm a retard. I'm a retard. Jacob Horn, where are you? Where are you, Jacob? Save us. Save us, please. Jacob Horn is the founder of Zora. You see the top Zoras guys as well. You know, down, man. Down. Again, if you believe in the protocol, you believe in this asset, this is where you buy, man. You buy on the down days when it's going down. You buy into the ecosystem when it's going down. You scroll through, you know, consistently. We have the feed, people creating content, people posting all types of different things here on Zora, guys. And it's just new users being onboarded daily. Even Artchick, look at Artchick in my recommended, right? In my suggested follows. She's big on X, right? She's big on X. She got you know, she's a CryptoPunk whale. You know how expensive a CryptoPunk is? Like $100K for one CryptoPunk NFT. And she did extremely well this cycle with Pepe. Made millions this cycle, Artchick, right? Made millions this cycle. She got a Zora. Right? What projects did she get? She got Pepe. She got Mog. She's a Mog whale as well. Yes, she's a Mog whale. Remember Mog went to 1.4, 1.5 billion? Yeah, she's a Mog whale. She's on Zora. So I'm just showing you, man. I have not lost conviction. Look at the unicorns. I've not lost conviction, man. The same, the same platform or the same type of technology you're using to hate on Zora, they use, not us, because we're the Zora bulls, but the same technology they use to hate on Zora, right, is what Zora is, but it's decentralized. You would think the crypto investors want decentralized social media. It's so ironic, man. But yeah, still bullish. Quick update for you guys. Now's a good time to DCA, in my opinion, if you haven't gotten the buy that you wanted. I'm not sure how low Zora drops. It could start bottoming out. It could. But, some exposure is better than no exposure. If you feel like you're over leveraged, right, and you feel like, man, this is not it, it's going to fail, right? Obviously, you could de-risk. Even if you're de-risking at a loss, right? I'm not saying, sometimes you have to, man. Sometimes you have to be smart. You got to go with stronger altcoins. You have to. So even if you're de-risking at a loss, just make sure you keep in, because someone said they sold like 20,000 euros worth of Zora, right? 20,000 euros is a lot of money. They replied to me and said they sold that. And I was like, man, don't sell everything, even if you leave in like something, because you never know, right? Things change fast in crypto. One catalyst, Zora's back, boom. Everybody like, yo, why didn't I buy Zora, right? That happens so quickly in this space. So, still bullish, like I said. None of this is financial advice, guys. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. That's why I say 50,000 to 100,000 Zora is a good bet. I don't want you guys going overboard here and, obviously being emotional and be like, oh, I lost so much money, I'm getting wrecked, Then you're going to not be as strategic. You're going to mess up your trades. I don't want to see you guys do that. I really don't. So make sure you never invest more than you're willing to lose. Even if it's just 10 to 20,000 Zora and Zora gets to $1 from here, that's 10 to 20K, man. Right? So thank y'all so much. Truly appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one.